Hey everybody, this is a quick fix and a service call for a Kyocera FS3920 DN printer. If you're getting a call service error 7410, again call service 7410, it means that the drum unit is not in place. And we're gonna see right here how to adjust or check that drum clip. Open up the top cover and pull the toner cartridge out, put it on the side. And you're going to turn to the left hand side of the panel where there's a little latch. Pull open that latch. It's the access door for the waste toner bottle. Pull that clip and pull the waste toner bottle out. Now you'll notice a gray push button tab. Now this should be able to push inwards, and if it's not able to push inwards, there's a clip on the bottom of that gray button where you need to pull that little rectangle clip out first, and then you can push that gray button in and pull the whole drum out to the left. So you can actually push that gray button in, pull the drum out, and make sure it clicks into place. So 7410 service error has to do with the drum assembly not fully pushed in. So I pushed it back in, put the waste bottle back in, close the door, insert the toner cartridge back into the machine, and power it up. Quick fix, no screwdrivers needed, no tools. The drum cartridge was just out of place and it needed to be pushed back in. Turn on the printer, power it back up. Actually, to reset that error code, power cycle turn off. Wait 5 seconds, turn it back on. And the service error should reset. Now if it continues, it could be a bad drum unit. You might want to order a drum and replace that as well. But this one looks like it's good. Thanks guys for watching.